So this is a shallot, very similar to an onion. It's just a milder onion. So when it comes to shallots, this will look very similar to what we do with the onion. And normally I will cut it like this just to kind of get that outer layer easier to peel off. And so just like you did with the onion, you peel this off. And so with a shallot, a lot of times you're going to be really finely dicing it because you're adding it to a dressing, that kind of thing. So just depending on if you want it sliced or if you want it diced. So then I would just take these and kind of chop them up like this. And then they can be super finely diced, and you can add them to dressings or to your salad or however you want to use them. But they are very interchangeable with a regular white onion.